Hey everyone, I'm going to show you some different ways to make varying FM operator algorithms in Nirvana. Add some oscillators. Move the oscillator to the column where the cat is so that we can hear it. The right column of the operator is the output. The left column is the FM input. Let's add another oscillator. We can change the amount of FM with the gain of the operator. And we can change the ratio with the tuning. Let's add one more. Now there's so many different ways you could make these algorithms varying. One easy way is just to move the operators around. We'll press this button, bring up the modulation options, apply some. Let's add another one. Another way to move them around is using the object position automation loop. So we'll press record and then we can move the operator around. We can also draw wires to create different feedbacks. You can also modulate the tuning of the operators to get even more craziness. Another thing you could do is play around with having different math operators between the signals to really mix up the FM in crazy ways. You can change the type of operation here. These two operators add together. Now let's mix in another one. Let's add even more math operators. Let's modulate some positions. We can also change the cat to a stereo image by splitting its head in half. We can listen in mid-side mode instead. Another way to change the algorithm dynamically is to use math operators like multipliers in between the oscillators. We can modulate the value of the multiplication to change the amount of FM. Here I've wired together two sets of operators with multipliers. I've added another one. And now I have this oscillator going to two different operators to different destinations so that the algorithm changes depending on the modulation. And of course you can make this a lot crazier by adding more wires and changing the types of math operators. And don't forget that all these knobs for FM ratio and amount and the amount of the operator and everything else is all automatable and modulatable by any modulators in Ableton, so you can really take this however you like it. Alright, and enjoy Nirvana.